What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So Evan and I are heading over to Staples to get some, what are they called? Money pens?
They're like counterfeit money pens, so.
Check money. Because we have a buyer coming down to purchase the BMW.
Possibly purchase.
Possibly, yes.
Possibly purchase the BMW.
And he's bringing cash, so we're gonna make sure it's legit. So yeah, sad day. I may tear up. Cars brought us this far. All our subscribers, we put a lot of time and money into the car, and it's gonna be a sad day watching it pull away if he does buy it. I have a few people looking at it, but I think this guy is the most serious out of them all. Driving all the way down from New Jersey to take a look at it, and he texted me, I'm grabbing the money and heading down. Where the money's at. We were right here and we didn't see it. Right here. Wow. Right there.
Wow. We were right in front of it.
I thought we were getting register tape right in front of it. We didn't even see it.
Well, it makes sense for retail purposes. All right, I think that's good. So we didn't know this, but apparently at our Staples, if you spend more than $30, they give you 2 free hand sanitizers.
I don't wash my hands. Now I do have the stock exhaust and the suspension for the car, so I'm gonna go up in Evan's room and grab it real quick. Evan, you up here? See, I have the suspension, I have the mufflers, I have the diffuser, stock intake. That's it. So, and take this downstairs, and if he wants them, he can take them. All right, Evan, I'll call you when I need the video edited. So I'm turning the Burble tunes back on for him. He's decided he's gonna. This is Joe here and Isaiah from New Jersey. They're gonna be the new owners. You guys don't have a YouTube, right?
No, not yet.
Well, they might.
I have some buddies that have them, so hopefully soon.
Especially with this one.
So I'm turning the Burble tunes back on for him because we went past Maryland inspection with it. They have like a decibel reader, and I had to turn it off for that. So I'm just turning it back on for him.
Oh, here you go, buddy.
We'll witness it?
Okay.
You're the witness.
I'll sign my life away, right?
Yeah.
No, dude.
Alright, write my name.
How do you feel?
Sad day.
She's gone.
She's still here. Say bye. She's off to New Jersey.
And there we go, out with the old and in with the new.